Remitly is a digital remittance service on a mission to make the money transfer process faster, affordable, and more transparent. Because they are a digital service without any physical locations, Remitly is able to keep their costs low and pass those savings on to its customers. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Remitly account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. After that, in the search bar type Remitly and search for it. So here's the Remitly app that you're looking for. To download the app, all you have to do is tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. Now you'll be able to see an option, Sign in. Tap on it. Enter your email address and password of your account and then tap on Sign in. And that's it. You'll be logged into your Remitly account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.